Hello, welcome. In this video I will give you everything that you need to be able to play the song Stand By Me. I will give you also a simple strumming pattern and one with the chuck. So if you would like to learn how to chuck, check out this video unless you're doing the 30-day challenge and you've already done it. Alrighty, let's get started. Make sure that your ukulele is tuned and make sure that you keep filing the nails on your fingerboard hand so that you can have really nice form. Stand By Me is a 1-6-4-5 chord progression. If you would like to know what that is, check out the card on the screen now. That means that we're in the key of C and we're playing the 1 chord, the C, the 6 or the minor 6 chord, which is A minor, the 4 chord, which is F, and let's do G7 just to make it nice. And resolve to C. The reason why I shared the Roman numeral, the 1, 4, 6, all of those numbers, is that some people want to sing in a different key. So if you would like to transpose or change this to different chords, you can do so by knowing the Roman numerals. So hopefully that helps. The trick to this song really lies in the strumming pattern. So let me play it for you first and then we'll do it together. So that's the one with the chuck. Without it, it would sound like this. And all I'm doing is 2 cycles of the island strum on each chord. So it's down, down, up, down, up, again, down, down, up, down, up, and then a switch. Down, down, up, down, up. When you are playing C chord, please play with your ring finger, and when you move to A minor, do that with your middle finger. We always want to keep the hand really curved, don't touch the other strings. And then F is easy because we went to A minor with the middle finger. And then look at this part. We're gonna pivot the hand, and it's almost like it's an opening door to set us up for G7. So from F to G7, the index finger stays glued, and just pretend that's a door that's opening. Whoop, and there you are. And to go back to C, all you do is slide to one of those Michael Jackson moves right there. Just slide to C. And that's the whole song. So really it's in the strumming and the singing. So try it with me. Try to go from C to A minor, giving each one 2 cycles of the strumming. You can do the one with the chuck or the one without it. The one that you would like to play. Here we go. 1, 2, C to A minor, C, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Stop. I forgot to mention, carry the ukulele on this side with your index finger right by the nut, and that way the move to from C to A minor, your ukulele won't fall. Also, keep the ukulele close to you by using your forearm and bringing it to your body. So if you like to play a little higher, that's okay, or a little lower, that's fine too. Let's do C, A minor, and F. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. Switch. Sorry, I added the G7 on there. Alright, let's do the whole cycle. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Switch. If you'd like to learn the bass part on your ukulele, I have provided that for you on the Printable, and it's totally free. So your homework for today is to not only get the printable, but also to try and play through the whole song. So now what we're trying to do is build your endurance. how long you can play without stopping. In the past, we've kind of kept the songs and the pieces really short, but to be able to keep strumming and holding chords for a longer time is a challenge. So see how much of the song you can do on your own and try to add a little bit more every day. Have fun with this homework assignment, and I will see you in the next one. Sayonara!